Bellingham with the ball. Coleman has it. Headed on. Here's Kane. Here's the shot. Poor effort goes wide. That was the first shot today. They'll hope they can do better later on. He's headed the ball forward. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, this is crisp passing. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Here's Kane. He's got the goal in his sights. Lovely goal. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Edison picks it up. Played to his teammate. What an opportunity! It's with the striker now. Coleman has it. He dribbles the ball forward. He's taking the ball out wide. Rudiger. Here's Dembele. And it's half-time and still only 1-0. Will we see more goals in the second half?
If you keep one...
That's nicely played. He steps up to steal the ball. Well cut out. Fine tackle by Walker. Will they make that quick change now? Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Good interception. Jesus! A diving save. Good clean challenge. Terrific stop by Courtois. What a chance! Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Diaz tackles. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. They want to add to their lead here. Keeper got a hand to it. This is Haaland. He's got the ball at his feet. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? He shoots off the woodwork. So close. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And it's there. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Well read. Oh, a clumsy challenge. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Well-timed then. Great defending. The woodwork denies him again. Oh, determined challenge there. A fingertip save. Valverde with the ball. Oh, well intercepted. Nodded on. And it's all over. The referee sends the two teams